Ceramic coatings are all the rage now. You see them advertised for the do-it-yourselfer all the way to professional installation. Ceramic coatings provide additional gloss, protection against dirt, bird bombs, UV rays. Our professional process involves multiple steps. We start with a thorough 2-bucket method wash, followed by a decontamination process. It's chemical and mechanical decontamination. We apply an iron removing product to the paint, which removes embedded iron particles in the clear coat, followed by a clay bar step. Next, we will do paint correction. Paint correction can be as extensive as a compound followed by a polish. The compound removes the scratches, the polish removes the fine swirls, or simply a one-step polish method. We then apply the ceramic coating. This protection will last for years to come.